Hello everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're making juicy, street-style gyros plate, inspired by Gyro Hut, but with a healthy twist. Marinated in Greek yogurt, lemon and bold spices, then roasted to perfection. Served over fluffy rice with crisp veggies, creamy white sauce, and a kick of heat. Whether you wrap it in pita or plate it like a pro, this dish is packed with flavor, perfect for meal prep or dinner parties. Let's get started. For the marinade, for 2 pounds of chicken thighs, in a bowl, combine 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 3/4 cup olive oil or avocado oil for a healthier whisk, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon paprika, add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for extra heat, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, 1½ teaspoons kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons garlic powder. Mix until smooth. Friends, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear. Pound chicken thighs to 1 centimeter thick so the marinade soaks in. Add the chicken, coat evenly, then cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight for maximum flavor. Now, the refreshing Tzatziki sauce, grate a cucumber, squeeze out excess water. Using kitchen paper to avoid watery tzatziki. Chop 2 tablespoons of mint or dill. In a bowl, mix the grated, squeezed dry cucumber, fresh dill or mint, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Transfer to a glass bowl and chill until ready. For a spicy kick, make the red sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a small pan. Sauté 2 cloves minced garlic until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon paprika. 4 tablespoons tomato paste. Tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and slightly thickened. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool. To complete the platter, make yellow rice. Rinse 1 cup basmati or jasmine rice. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan. Sauté 1 clove minced garlic. Then stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon cumin, and the rinsed rice. Turmeric gives that vibrant yellow color you see at restaurants. Fluffy, aromatic, the perfect base for your gyro. Season with salt, add 2½ cups chicken broth or water. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes until fluffy and golden. Fluff with a fork before serving. Cook the marinated chicken in a hot skillet or grill, 6 to 7 minutes per side, until fully cooked and slightly charred. reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Let it rest, then slice into bite-sized pieces. Chop the lettuce. Now build your platter. Lay a fluffy yellow rice. Juicy chicken pieces. Chopped red onions. Tomatoes. Crisp lettuce. A scoop of sweet corn. And fresh chickpeas. Add creamy tzatziki and spicy red sauce on the side for dipping or drizzling. Homemade chicken gyro platter done. Like, comment, and subscribe for more easy, restaurant-style meals you can make at home. Just made this juicy chicken gyro platter with yellow rice, tzatziki, and red sauce. Which part would you dig into first? Serve fresh and enjoy. See you in the next recipe. Thanks for watching.